As students in engineering and computer science, we have 3 advisors here to help us with our experience in ECS.
A success advisor, a career advisor, and a faculty advisor.
Your faculty advisor, who may be also referred to as your academic advisor or major advisor, helps you understand your discipline, curriculum, helps you with course selection each semester, and provides guidance on career development.
Remember, you need to meet with your faculty advisor each semester before registering for courses for the following semester.
This video will walk you through the steps to have an effective meeting with your faculty advisor for course selection.
Around mid-semester, you'll need to schedule an appointment with your faculty advisor. But don't worry, you'll get an email from the ECS Records Office telling you to think about next semester's courses. That's when you can schedule your appointment. Check your enrollment date on MySlice and try to schedule your appointment prior to that date. Don't worry though, if you can't get in before that date, enrollment is open for a while, so there's plenty of time to get registered. You should note that not all faculty advisors use Orange Success to schedule their appointments, so be sure to check your SU email for an email from your faculty advisor with instructions for how to schedule an appointment with them. If you haven't gotten an email from your faculty advisor, you'll want to send them an email to ask what their preferred method of scheduling is. Once you have a meeting scheduled, you'll want to take a look at your DegreeWorks profile, which you can access through MySlice. DegreeWorks will show courses you have completed and courses you still need to complete. This will help you identify what you'll take for the following semester. Check your degree program's course progression on the course catalog and make note of pre- and/or co-requisites. Also, if you are pursuing a minor or second major, see how those courses fit in as well. You can even start putting specific classes into your shopping cart on MySlice. You'll also want to think about whether you want to participate in an opportunity like study abroad or a co-op that may impact your curriculum path. It's important to talk about these opportunities as early as possible, even if you aren't sure you want to do it, so that your advisor can help you plan ahead. Also, consider performing undergraduate research. If that is something you are interested in, you can also discuss it with your faculty advisor. Then, prepare any other questions related to your curriculum or your career aspirations that you'd like to ask your faculty advisor. You'll also want to check MySlice to see if you have any holds in addition to your advising hold. Most holds need to be resolved before you can register, so this is a good time to take the necessary steps to do so.
Now it's time to meet with your faculty advisor. You've prepared and are now ready for an effective conversation about your academic path. Be sure you're on time for the meeting and are ready to be engaged and ask questions. Make sure you understand what your advisor is suggesting you do to stay on track with your curriculum. Take advantage of this opportunity to ask any questions or share concerns with your faculty advisor. Before you leave the meeting, make sure you know 1. What classes you need to register, and 2. Any action items you need to complete following the meeting. For example, you may be advised to do something like complete a petition or declare a minor.
After your meeting with your faculty advisor, to let the ECS Records Office know so they can lift your advising hold so you can register. Once your enrollment date has come, any other holds are lifted so you can go ahead and register for your courses on MySlice. If you have any difficulty getting into a required course, stop by the ECS Records Office for assistance. If you're having difficulty getting into an elective, you may need to pick up a different elective or just keep checking to see if seats open up.
There are a few things that we want to remind you of, and those are your responsibilities as part of the advising experience.
Know who your advising team is. You can find their information on Orange Success under My Network.
Initiate and cultivate purposeful relationships with your advisor. They're here to help you, and it's easier to ask for help when you already know them well.
Understand that advisors provide guidance and recommendations. You are ultimately responsible for your academic and career path actions and decisions.
For meetings with any of your advisors, be on time and prepared to discuss topics relevant to the purpose of the meeting.
Be mindful of your advisor's outreach and respond in a timely and professional manner. Remember, they're here to help you.
Be knowledgeable of your degree requirements and academic policies and procedures. With some planning and communication, your faculty advising meetings will be efficient and productive.